Can't find an app on the Google Play Store? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix apps not showing up in the Play Store on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store. If you've already searched for the app and it doesn't appear, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Family, then select Parental Controls. If parental controls are turned on, they may be preventing certain apps from appearing in the Play Store. Turn off parental controls, or adjust the age restriction if you know the PIN. Now, go back to the Play Store and search for the app again. If the app is still missing, let's try another method. Open the Play Store, tap your profile picture, then go to Settings. Scroll down, tap About, and then tap Update Play Store. If an update is available, install it and wait for the process to finish. Now, if the problem still isn't fixed, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap Apps, then Manage Apps. Search for Google Play Store and tap on it. Next, tap Force Stop, then Confirm. After that, tap Storage. Now, tap Clear Cache, and then tap Clear Data. Once you're done, reopen the Google Play Store and search for the app again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.